I'm at Brewdog in Manchester because there's a Zwift Wahoo event on. So I've got, well actually, I'm going to be honest, I thought I'd just come in like my regular clothes and just bring my shoes. And then everyone's like, oh actually no, it gets quite competitive, like people are in full kit. And I'm like, oh god, full kit. So I was like, oh I better put some shorts in. And then I was chatting to like Rich and Darius and like, oh yeah, you probably need to take a heart rate monitor. So I was like, a bloody heart rate monitor? Like, is it that serious? I'm like, yes. Yes, there are people that are serious. So I'm going to get my stuff on, go in, see what's going on, and then show you what's going on, I guess. But it's chilly. Glove weather. Take my gloves.
3, 2, 1.
It's good.
Leaderboard 3 minutes 16. Easy. Shall we say? Easy. 3, 2, 1. Let's get behind.
So, oh god, it is so noisy there. It is so much fun. So I am currently third. You know I can't sprint for shit, so it's so much fun though, and I'm just having a really fun night. I wish all nights were like this. So yeah, the men, I think there's like maybe a few more rounds, and then they'll do the finals, and then the winner of each of the men's and the women's win a kicker. So very exciting. So I might go back in now, have a little breather out here, and then head back in. The footage has probably just been all over the shop, but that is how the night feels, just stuff going on all over the place. But yeah, if you've got one of these coming, I think they're going to Edinburgh tomorrow. If you get a chance to go because it is just spot on. Dun, 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 dun.
Let's go close.
Slowest closing door you've ever seen. Go for it.
Hey, I'm Louis from Wahoo. I head up the marketing for Europe for Wahoo, and I've been working with Zwift on this project to ultimately create the best night out for cyclists. We don't know if we've cracked it yet, but we're certainly trying our best, and it's up to the punters to see if they enjoy it. So the point is, free beer, free foods, free soft drinks. Fastest person up the hill at the end of the night wins a kicker. That's it.
And it's so good because you've got a men's and women's prize. It's not just like.
It's completely equal for men and for women. So the 3 fastest men and the 3 fastest women go into a final, and the fastest from each of those wins a kicker. That's
so good. And you're going all around. Have you been around Europe?
Yeah. So this is our 12th stop of 13 in Europe, and we're also going global as well. So there's in America, and we're going all over in South Africa. We've got one more event in Europe, and that's in Edinburgh tomorrow night, and we're heading for that to be the biggest one yet.
It is absolutely crazy.
It's a great night, and then we're about halfway through tonight, and we've got our finals coming up in about 20 minutes time. That's when it gets really loud.
Oh my god, I'm excited. Well, thanks so much for putting it on.
No worries at all. I'm glad you're having a good time.
Yeah, well, let's see how I think I'm currently third, so.
You're currently third, so you're in the finals?
Potential.
Wicked. But I'll make some noise.
2, 1. Right, 21 Julie. 100 meters to go! It's going to be the fastest time of the whole goddamn tour! Are all riding for a brand new kicker. I mean, Emma is riding for a brand new kicker. What? Have you got? I don't know. No, just look at the time. Where are you going to find 30 seconds? But Gwen might stand a chance.
In the morning. Style.
Everybody that's here, you've got to come in a bit closer. Noisy, or we won't have jobs next year, alright? I I mean it. So for 2 minutes of your life, all you've got to do is make as much noise as you can for these 3 ladies. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Katie, you ready? Gweno, are you ready? Let's go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then maybe some music along with. 2, 3, 2, you gotta go, you gotta go. Yes, he just hooked me as well for Katie. Let's go all the way, Katie. Give it up for Katie. Emma takes it. Sorry, I just wanted to.
Go on, Richard. Go on, go on.
3, 2, 1. Come on, Sam. Here, 143. Looks like. He's got it. Everybody, give it up for your winner, Sam. Give it up to Zwift. Give it up to Primo for the free beer and free food. And then finally, give it up to yourself for coming. Well done, everybody. Thank you for coming out. Yay!
You came third.
Yeah, you came.
I also came third. No, let's all hug. Let's all hug. Which is nice. Is like.
You both better get that train.
Hang on, we had a go. It was so. How much fun was it though?
It was brilliant. I want to do it again.
I want to do it again.
Yes.
Although my legs cannot take it because it was hard. But it was so much fun. So I was going to head back now. Fun night. No, it's like. I'm tired. I need to go to bed.
I'm
Bye.
not going to sleep right now.
I know, I'm too like. It was so much fun. But they do. I think they said they're going to do them every year. That is Manchester. Okay. Farewell. See you next video.